So what you can also do with Qwen is talk with it using voice chat. So to do that, you need to go ahead and then click on this button right here and go for voice chat right here. So once you do that, it says the microphone permission is not there. Let's retry it out. And then it says it's not available. So to enable that, I'm just going to go around right here and enable out the microphone right here. Once I do that, let me just go ahead and reload out this space right here. So now the microphone is enabled. So let's just go ahead onto new chat, go around onto voice and voice chat right here. So now it says connecting, and then you can see that it's connecting to the server, and now it says I'm listening. So I can simply go ahead and say, hello there, how are you doing?
Well, I'm just here to chat with you. How about you? What's on your mind today?
So I'm
If you haven't
actually making a tutorial for people to actually learn how to use Qwen Chat, and you're a part of it.
Oh, that sounds really cool. Well, if there's anything specific you'd like to know about using Qwen Chat, like how to start a conversation, find certain features, or
And you
troubleshoot
can
common
see,
issues.
so stop talking right there. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and speaks right here. You can even go ahead and then
Hello?
choose a
Hello?
particular voice.
Hello, is there
Hello?
So you can
Hello,
see
is
that
there
I
anything
have
you'd like to
many
share
types
with
of
me?
chats right here. So if I were to go ahead right here, and now it says it just starts listening. So now I change the voice, and now I guess my audience or my learners now know how to use Qwen Chat.
Well, it seems like you're having some trouble with Qwen Chat.
No, I'm not having a trouble, but I'm actually teaching for using a video on how to use Qwen Chat for my YouTube channel, TeacherTube.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Well, for using Qwen Chat on your YouTube channel, you'll first need to make sure you have an account set up.
Okay, so I
Then,
can see that it actually goes ahead and then communicates with me. So I can simply go ahead and close to actually end the chat right there, and that is what you have. And that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize voice chat in your Qwen Chat. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.